Today we're going to create an app in Python with tkinter that will let you create an exercise, and so that you can have different exercise with random values, and that calculates the solution by itself, so that you can give to your students different exercise without having to change the value by yourself, but letting the computer to do it. So the basic of this starts from importing tkinter, because we need it for our graphic user interface. And then we are gonna make a function here called window, and this function will start the window with calling the tk class from tkinter, and then we'll add a text, and then we'll activate the loop to maintain the window active. So this mkMakeText function will create a text. We'll make it with the background gold. Will be a child of this root master, and then we will use the pack geometry system to show it on the window, and that's pretty much everything. Maybe we have to pass the root here, because root here is a local variable, so we are going to pass to this and have it back here. So let's see if it works. And the color here needs to be into apostrophes. So here is our text. So here we are going to put a text of our exercise, but we will need, okay, first of all, let's insert into some text, some template text, like, so insert from tk end. We want to insert some text. There it is. So we want to create our exercise. Let's do, for example, how is sum 1 plus sum 2 the result is let's use some square brackets here for the values that we want to change in our text. So here, how is n1 plus 1? And the result is result. So we wanna to make this. So now we need some entries. Let's create just one entry, like we did with the text. So maybe we can also copy this and change this to entry. And okay. Return entry. We will have different entries, so let's call it e1 equal make entry, and let's pass the root to, and let's call it entry 1, entry 2, entry 3, entry 4. Okay, here we have our entries, and I want to put this here. Then I want to also create a frame. Frame 1, or yeah. Like we did with the other one. Make frame. Frame. And let's put this into frame 1. Okay. Now, let's pick it sides. Okay, let's make another frame. Frame 2. And let's put the let's put this into a function. Okay, so let's put this into frame 2. Let's make the frame and let's call the 2 frames, frame 1 and frame 2. Okay, we get the same result, but it's more organized, and also I can okay, but I don't want to make it here, I want to make it here. Okay, so we got this one on the left, and okay, so this would be for example N1, and this would be 100, and this will be 1000, for example, and this would be like a step of 10. So word to substitute. So let's make another another function for the labels. Okay, so we are going to put the label here in the so label 1 equal make label frame 1 and placeholder to substitute. Okay, so the label needs also a text, and okay, placeholder to substitute. Perfect. Now we need other labels. So label 2, it's the starting value, ending value, and step. So this is label 1, label 2, label 3, and label 4. We could also make them separate with each. Okay, placeholder, etc. So let's make it cn. Okay. Okay. So we got our what we need here, and we need another thing. We need a button to submit the value that we want to substitute to these placeholders. So we need a button here, and then we need also to show the result. So at the end, so we need some buttons. Okay, button master root. Okay, text equal text, button back, return button. Perfect. I'm gonna place it here. So button 1 equal make button and frame 1 and click to add the what we can say enter this into this, and then we need another one with show the exercise. Okay, enter this to enter the placeholder. Now when we enter this, we want to substitute this one or this one or whatever. We need also, I think, another thing. We need the result to be this operation here, and we need to say what to do with the results. So we need another one with the results. Okay, so we need another label operations for results. Okay. This is enter 5. Okay. So, for example, here we need to do n1 plus n2. Okay. So we need to store these results and make this operation here. Okay, so for the moment we will stop here, and we will see in the next part of this tutorial how to make this work. See you soon next time, and if you like the video and if you want to see more video like this, please subscribe and click the like button, and also the bell if you want to know when there is another video. See you next time.